Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is the end of December, and what if I told you that India, one of my favorite places in the world, India has about 700 to 800 million people without internet connectivity. You feel pretty bad. Like, why don't they have internet? Why does so much of that part of the world have no internet? But the good news is Dabba and the Dabba network is providing safe, reliable internet connectivity to parts of India. This is a ground floor opportunity. Again, Dabba is doing a great job. My referral link is below. For $199, you can buy a hotspot that they install in India to give a family, an office building, a town internet connection. When you buy a Dabba hotspot for $199, you will receive in the native Dabba tokens that's not released yet, first quarter of 2025, you will receive monthly passive income to support what Dabba and the Dabba network is doing to get internet connectivity to the 700 or 800 million people without internet. I'll say that again. For $199, you invest in a hotspot that it doesn't get sent to your house. You buy it, they install it, you get passive income every month. Again, my referral link is below. And if you have any questions, let me know. CryptoMentor99@yahoo.com. CryptoMentor99@yahoo.com. But this is passive income that the Dabba network has found a way to help the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millions of people in India with a solution. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And you know I love you. Bye-bye.